Alright, got some new parts for my bike, and there's my brother's bike. Gonna do like a double bike check, I guess. Alright, up front, ODI long neck grips in aqua, and United bar ends, Fly Joey Bradford signature bars, and Shadow Strike stem. Eastern headset, Snafu pickle forks, super strong, super light. Fit Tech 2.5 front wheel, Alienation PBR rim, I think, with the stock hub. Fit Tech 1 frame. We got stolen Thermalite pivotal post with Fit PC seat, plastic, no padding. Redline device cranks with Colony Fantastic plastic pedals and nuclear green. Snafu Ola sprocket 25 tooth with a KMC crazy chain. And in the back we have another Alienation PBR rim with a stock Fit Tech 1 rear hub. That's just a replacement back wheel because my brother, he jacked 3 of his spokes, and yeah, so that totally screwed up his tire and everything, so that's just a replacement. And up here we got my bike, Shadow Voltus 30 wide bars, Demolition stem. I think it's a FSA headset, I'm not sure, with Fit Shiv forks. I really like them. People give them a lot of crap for braking and stuff, but I have no problem with them, I guess. Demolition Bulimia front hub laced to a Demolition Zero rim. Fit Tech 2.5 frame, 20.75 top tube, full chromoly and everything. Volume seat post with a volume pivotal seat. Seat's a seat, it's whatever. Don't really sit on it anyway, so it doesn't matter. Profile cranks with Demolition pedals. I really like these pedals. I barely ever slip and get pedal bite. If I do, it's usually because of my shoes. They're going bald. Profile Imperial sprocket 25 tooth with KMC something chain. I'm not even sure what it's called, but it's got the hollow links. Hold on, let me switch the focus. There. You can see that a little better. It's got the hollow links, so it's nice and light. Demolition Anorexia rear hub laced to another Demolition Zero rim. And tires in front, we've got Odyssey Aiken K-Lite tire. It's super good. It's a trail tire, but I don't really ride trails that much, but it gives me a lot of grip on the street for like foot jam tail ups and stuff, so I just run it. Oh yeah, and got ODI long neck grips with flanges cut off. They're super worn out right now, so they feel really nice. That's how I like them. And in the back, it's Fit FAF tire. Super nice, real grippy. And yeah, those are pretty much our bikes. Pretty sweet.